Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Avatar The Last Airbender, the episode 3 of the season 1. I watched the two first episodes, it was last week now, and I'm gonna begin to post you these reaction videos on my Patreon during this week. On YouTube next week, like you're gonna be 2 weeks late for me, 1 week late for my Patreon subscribers. See, that's gonna be a mess, but I'm gonna hang on, to that. I'm fighting also with YouTube. There is something really weird with how they are allowing us to upload reaction videos about it. Like sometimes it's working, sometimes not. I can't see the rules that they are using, the fair use rules that they are using for now. I'm still working on it. On Patreon, I don't have that issue, but for YouTube, for now, it's 8 minutes reactions part, that I found working. I hope that it's gonna stand like that. We'll see. On Patreon, you have, I think for the first episode, it was a 13 minutes reaction part, like it's an extended reaction part, like I'm always telling you. On Patreon, you have the extended or the full reaction part for my reaction videos. Okay, I'm glad to be back for this show, for this anime. I'm really glad because I had so much fun during the two first episodes. I was not expecting that. I said it to you, I watched some animes when I was a teenager, but it was serious one. I don't know if I can really say that because, I watched Fullmetal Alchemist, but I watched also The Great Teacher Onizuka, which is not really a serious character, which add, some serious drama into it, so that's why I'm considering it as serious. That's the first time that I'm watching an anime and I'm losing so much during it, and yes, I had really a lot of fun. I'm already interested by the story, I'm already having so many questions. You saw that. I saw that during the editing, maybe it was a little annoying for you, me asking so many questions. I'm sorry if it's the case, but I'm discovering this world, really, that's the first time that I'm discovering it, so that's logical that I have so many questions, but I'm gonna try to keep them for the review, to not ask them all along the episode. I'm gonna try. I don't know if I'm gonna succeed, but I'm gonna try. With only 2 episodes, we know now this world, how it's divided between the tribes, kingdoms and all for the 4 elements. We know about the war, what happened with the Fire Nation, which tried, to rule everyone. We know that Aang is the last airbender, is the avatar, he knows it, he knows that he has power, but he doesn't know how to control them. Katara, she knows how he has to do it, in that particular order, and they're gonna go together with Sokka, the brother, Katara's brother, to try to control these powers, and they're gonna begin with the waterbender, and it's gonna help also Katara. We have also Prince Zuko, who knows who is Aang, the fact that it's a kid, but he knows also that he can't underestimate him because Aang has strong powers, even if he can't control them. And for me, Zuko, okay, he's an impulsive teenager, for sure, but if he thinks a little about the situation, he's gonna understand that Aang, he needs to control his powers and he has to go to all of these different tribes and kingdoms to control them. So for me, he's gonna follow the team. We're gonna meet him all along the way. See, in just 2 episodes, we have the world, how it's working, how it's functioning, the different rules of this universe. The main ones. We have the main characters and how they are functioning also, and their relationships and all of that. And we have also the different steps that this story is gonna take, you know. We know that Aang, he has to control his powers into that order, and then he can be the Avatar, and then maybe he can do his job, you know, of being the one to stop the Fire Nation. Just 2 episodes and we already have that. We have also the mood of the anime. Because of the fact that Aang is a kid, he's still pure and naive and he doesn't know anything about the war, so he didn't live the rough stuff that maybe the other ones lived and know. So that's why he's so naive and so pure, and for that he's representing the viewers who are discovering this world, who are discovering what happened. With Aang we're gonna discover what happened during the war, and we're gonna discover everything about these different powers. I still don't know if I have to name them powers or if there is another word for that. I'm gonna discover that. For now, he's so naive and pure that he's bringing a lot of fun into the anime, and they also said it, you know, they insisted on it with Katara, saying that maybe they need to have fun after all of the rough stuff that they lived. And that's why for now the show is so fun and I'm laughing so much. But I can imagine that with time, with Aang learning more and more about what happened, and also about the fact that he's the last airbender and that all of his people were destroyed, killed, maybe it's gonna get deeper, you know, it's gonna get not darker. I can't see this show going darker because these characters, they are still fun, you know, they have funny lines. Sokka is a great character for that, so maybe not darker but deeper. And I'm interested by that, and I'm interested by that evolution that Aang can have, but also that the show can have, you know. I'm gonna stop this intro now and begin this episode 3. Before that, fair warning, I have a storm, you know, already, just right there, a lot of wind, so maybe you're gonna hear it. I'm sorry for that if it's disturbing for you, but like always, I can't change the weather. Don't have these powers, I'm not an airbender, you know. So sorry in advance if you're disturbed by that. Let's go for this episode 3.
It's been 100 years since you've been home. That's why
And
so
it was
excited.
destroyed.
I know, but I need to see it for myself.
Now?
Air sample, here we come!
Captain Zhao, its commander.
Captain Zhao.
And General Iroh, great hero of our nation.
So you have a name, Uncle?
Yes, right into an Earth Kingdom ship. Really? You must regale me with all the thrilling details.
You're the prince, but they're not respecting you so much. He has to be the one to take the avatar. Something like that. Maybe it's because of that, of his credibility.
It's all about bridge. We're almost there! And before we get to the temple, I want to talk to you about the airbenders. What about them?
Oh, yeah.
They killed my mother. They could have done the same to your people.
I think so.
They probably escaped.
I don't have a lot of fun.
There it is. The Southern Air Temple. We're home, buddy. We're home.
Oh, I'm afraid and sad for you in advance.
If my father thinks the rest of the world will follow him willingly, then he is a fool. We haven't found him yet.
Did you really expect to? The Avatar died 100 years ago.
Nope.
Unless you found some evidence that the Avatar is alive.
No.
We interrogated the crew as you instructed. They confirmed Prince Zuko had the Avatar in custody, but let him escape.
Ah.
So that's where my friends and I would play airball. And over there is where the bison would sleep. What's wrong?
Well,
This
then.
place used to be full of monks. I can't believe how much things have changed.
So, this airball game, how do you play?
Oh, nice, guys. What? Ah! Sarah?
Making him feel better is putting me in a world of hurt.
Yes, but you're nice.
Aang, there's something you need to see.
No.
What is it? Just a new waterbending move I
Hmm.
learned.
You know, you can't protect him forever.
I said it is so naive and pure for now.
I want you to meet somebody.
Who's that?
Monkey Apso, the greatest airbender in the world. He taught me everything I know.
He was your mentor?
But the cruel secret is in
This whole avatar thing. Maybe the monks made a mistake.
The only mistake they made was telling you before you turned 16. Your questions will be answered when you're old enough to enter the Air Temple Sanctuary. You will meet someone who will guide you on your journey. He will reveal himself to you. Now, are you going to help?
You have to enter into the temple when you're 16?
2, 3.
You must miss him. Yeah.
He
the Air
died.
Temple Sanctuary. There's
They
someone
all
there.
died. It's making me sad.
I don't suppose you have a key.
The key, Sokka, is airbending.
Oh!
Hello? Anyone home?
Commander Zhao, I've been hunting the Avatar for 2 years and I...
2 years?
Capturing the Avatar is too important to leave in a teenager's hands.
Captain Zhao is gonna try to take the Avatar. Hi! More enemies for you.
That one's an airbender, and this one's a waterbender. They're lined up in a pattern. Air,
They are?
water, earth, and fire. All these people are your past lives, Aang. Wow, there are so many.
They are also impressive.
That's Avatar Roku, the Avatar before me.
The last
You are
one.
a firebender?
Did you meet him? Oh! That's a creature, that's not
You're
someone.
making a sound.
No, no.
That firebender won't know what hit him.
You're gonna be my new pet. No,
And you what?
First.
If he's alive, it means that there is food.
Once I'm out to sea, my guards will escort you back to your ship, and you'll be free to go.
Don't underestimate me, Zhao. I will capture the Avatar before you. Once I deliver the Avatar to my father, he will welcome me home with honor and restore my rightful place on the throne.
In his eyes, you are a failure and a disgrace to the Fire Nation.
That's not true.
You
I'm
have
almost
scar to prove.
sad.
And Agni Kai and Sunset.
Very well.
Have you forgotten what happened last time you doomed the master?
I will never forget.
Can we see that?
Firebenders? They were here?
Oh, that's your master?
Hey, I wasn't really gonna eat your lemur, okay?
Pay attention. Oi! Is that the earth, water?
Word to the Fire Lord immediately. The Avatar has returned.
They all know now. Not only Zuko and Captain Zhao.
Step off it! It's his Avatar spirit! He wants to trigger it!
Your anger is making you really powerful, but also really dangerous. And you're trying to catch the Avatar to have more credibility, but also because of what happened with your father. The scar, it's because of that. What happened?
Patience, Zuko. Frank getting drunk.
Well done, Zuko. Well done.
Do it! Your father is a coward.
Next time you get in my way, I promise. I won't hold back.
It was a death combat between you two. You lost.
So this is how the great Commander Zhao acts in defeat. Even in exile, my nephew is more honorable than you.
What did you do? And thank you, the anchor, for staying with him.
Of course.
I went through the same thing when I lost my mom, but you still have a family. Sokka and I, we're your family now.
Katara and I aren't gonna let anything happen here. Promise.
It wasn't your fault, but you were right. And if firebenders found this temple, that means they found the other ones too. I really am the last airbender.
I'm so sorry for you. He's just a kid.
How is Roku supposed to help me if I can't talk to him? Maybe he'll find a way. Hey, little guy.
You're gonna stay with me?
You, me, and Appa. We have to stick together. Mama.
Mama? Oh. I feel so sorry for Ang. I really didn't know that we were gonna have that so quick. I mean, I said it during my intro. I was expecting it to happen, but later, you know, in the season, or maybe during the season 2, they were supposed to go to see the waterbenders, not the airbenders, not right now. I thought, you know, that for the evolution of Ang and also of the show, it could be interesting to have that a little later. We would have learned more stuff about the war and what happened during it before going there, and it would have been, you know, the switch, you know, for his evolution and for the evolution of the anime. But I was wrong about that, and just right there, I was not ready for it, you know, emotionally. I was not ready for it. And that was interesting for sure, that was sad. They tried, you know, Sokka and Katara, they tried to lie to him, to not tell him what happened, because he's so pure and naive and he's just a kid, and of course you want to protect him, but he has to know the truth. All of the airbenders died. And he knew that he was an avatar before he had the right age. Did they know? The monks, you know, that it was gonna happen, the war and all of that, and they were gonna die? I think that there is something like that. They had to know. For telling him so soon, they had to know. But he didn't do what he was supposed to do right there in the Harp Temple. He was supposed to go there when he would have the right age to be guided by the right person. Maybe the last avatar before him. So we're gonna come back when he's gonna have the right age. Maybe. We have a new friend, Momo. He's cute. That was a really interesting episode because, you know, I said it during the intro with the 2 first episodes. We know now this world, the main rules of this world with the different tribes and all. We know also the main characters, what they want and how they are functioning, and also the relationships that they have together. And we know also a little about the steps that we're gonna have to take all along these seasons, all along the next episode. Like the journey that the avatar has to take. But with this episode, we know more about their past. All of them. Like, we know more about the avatar Ang, his past, with the monks, the place where he lived, and how it looked like, you know, because of the flashback, and who was his mentor, and what happened in that place with the firebenders killing everyone, and all of this place being destroyed and everyone being killed. We learned more about him, his past and this place, but we learned more also about Sokka and Katara past because of the fact that their mom died, and we learned that when she died because of the Fire Nation, Katara reacted the same, you know, she had that anger moment with her water powers, so you can imagine something, you know, because of that. And now they are a family, the 3 of them are representing a family, with Momo and Appa. They are representing a family. And also we learned more about Zuko's past. That was so interesting. I still have a lot of questions about it, like always. That was so interesting. I was not expecting it at all, you know. I thought that, you know, he was the prince and that's all. But no, when he came back, we saw that his ship was really little in front of the other ones. So he has a little ship, he is with his uncle, and after that we met Captain Zhao, and we can see that he really has no credibility, like no one is respecting him and all, and they are almost arresting him during that moment. Like after that, Captain Zhao is saying something like, after me leaving, you can go, like that's it, I'm releasing you. So really, they are not respecting him at all. They are not just considering him as a teenager, but really as someone who was banished. He was banished by his father because of what? I did not understand that, what he did. But he was banished, and that's why he has this scar. I did not understand if he has this scar because of what he did or because of, you know, the fact that he's banished, it's a way to mark him. I didn't understand that. And that's why he wants to take the avatar. To be that one. Because he wants to prove to his father that he can do it. He wants to go back to the Fire Nation, to take back his place, you know, with the throne and all of that. But also, I think, for his credibility, for his image, he wants to gain back his place into the Fire Nation, to come back, to not be banished anymore. He wants to prove himself. That's almost making me sad for him, you know, that he has to do all of that, but at the same time I don't know what he did to be banished like that, so I'm interested by that, because he did something wrong for the Fire Nation, you know, like maybe what he did wrong for them, it's something right for us. You understand what I mean? I'm also intrigued by this uncle who followed him. Your nephew is banished and you followed him. That's not logical, you know? If the uncle is the brother of the father and not the brother of the mother, like, you followed a banished person. I don't know why I'm intrigued by that. And maybe also because of the fact that I like this uncle. He's helping Zuko. He's learning him how to deal with his powers, and he's also protecting him in a way. I'm also surprised, you know, by the rhythm of the anime. I know that this anime counts 3 seasons, and entirely it's almost like 60 episodes. And for me, when you have that much episode for the steps that I imagine, you know, the journey that I imagine and that they told us that Aang has to take, I'm like, you're rushing the actions. For me, for what I imagine, you know, for this journey, what they told us about this journey, what happened during this episode could have happened during 2 or 3 episodes. Or maybe, you know, I'm thinking too much to... Oh, I don't know the name in English for that anime, you know, Olivetum. I'm gonna put it right there, you know, the English name for that anime. It's a football anime, and really one match, one game, it's taking 30 episodes. So maybe that's why I'm so used to have the action going like that, and to have Aang going back to his army's place, discovering all of what happened, being sad about it, that anger moment, all of the kingdoms, yes, and tribes and nations, all of them discovering that the Avatar is back. Like, it's not only now Zhao and Zuko who are gonna search for the Avatar, they can all now search for him. For the right and the bad reasons, you know. It's gonna make more allies, but also more enemies. That was a good episode, a really good episode. A lot of things happened during it, but I was interested by everything, and that's really helping me to understand more about each character's past, and a lot about Zuko, about his reasons, you know, why he's doing all of that, why he's searching so bad the Avatar, why he wants to take him back to his father so hard, so much. And I'm interested by what happened, you know, for him being banished like that. I really hope that we're gonna know more about that. I think that we're gonna know more about that, but soon, you know? If they are rushing everything like that, maybe we're gonna learn that soon. Maybe. I'm gonna watch one more episode today, maybe 2. Oh, maybe 2. But it's all for you for today, and it's all for me for now. Remember, if you're watching this on YouTube, you're late. You're at least 1 week late, maybe more than that, because I began to post my reaction videos on Patreon sooner than on YouTube, and on Patreon you have also the extended version of these reaction videos. So if you want to be right on time, to have a little advance, and also to have longer reaction videos, go on my Patreon. Okay, so it's all for you for today, and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.